Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you download and install the YouTube app on your Windows. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So to be able to have the Windows app of the YouTube, so you need to go ahead and click on this one. Once you are on the YouTube website, so this icon right here, you just have to install app, and that should install the app, and it should go ahead and be redirected in your desktop. So here, as you can see, it is now here. So let's just X that. And as you can see, it's now also on this one. But if you want to go ahead and, as you can see here, let's go ahead and back here. If you don't have that option, you can also do this one. So go over to the YouTube app, to the three dots right here, and go over to, uh, you should see here, more tools and create a shortcut, and that should create a shortcut like the YouTube app right here. Okay guys, so you just have to click on create, and that should create the app for you. And there guys, so okay guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.